Let me. So I woke up. I slept. One, I have to shoot it by myself. Hi everyone, this is Ritagni. How are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. So it's a really odd time to start this vlog because I'll show you it. So it's 3 o'clock in the night and we were really like in deep sleep, me and mom. So what happened is, from last few days, almost a week now, we have been so unwell, like so bad cough and cold and fever, that like our appetite has become really low. Like I can't eat. So same goes for her also. So we were sleeping and suddenly we felt so hungry that there were no other option but to make something. So as you can see, I'll show you it. So this is steamed rice which is getting cooked. This is boiled dal and this is aloo bhaja. So this was the earliest thing which I could make. Say hi, Ma. Hi. We have become like like those night owls. So really hungry. We couldn't eat properly, because when there's so much and the throat infection was so much.
The main cause is I have no taste in my mouth.
Yeah. And moreover, I would like to show you something that is safe. Agni has done braids on my hair. Yeah, kudos to Agni because I had been looking for someone who could do my braids and finally Agni is here. But yeah, thank you Agni. So let's go. So the food is done, so I'll just take it. I've never done something like this at night, but not bad. Can you see the steam, guys? It's so hot. So with this, I'm going to take some dal. So I've taken the dal and rice and now I will take some aloo fry. That's all. This is midnight meal. So this is the menu. I can't wait. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So this is the dal and rice and this is the aloo bhaja. So really hungry. So I'll have it and see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay? Hi guys, so welcome back. Today I look way better, right? Like I feel a little fresh and so I woke up and then I had my tea, had my breakfast, and then straight away me and mom, we are working on a new project. Not music, okay. So there's Durga Puja coming up in our hometown Kolkata. So we wanted to do something dedicating towards the goddesses. So we were writing the script of the whole content. So for that only right now I'm going to go and I have to shop for the costume because it's like the fully like gorgeous, like the Devi looks which we have to create. And like it's easier to create in Kolkata because like all the jewelries and the whole set of team is there, but here we will try to do something nice. I called my makeup artist today in the morning, and you know, we set the date for day after tomorrow. So let's see how the shoot goes. So now I'll go and I'll get my sari and I'll get whatever things are needed for the shoot. So yeah, let's go ahead. By the way, I'm wearing a cute outfit. Let me show you it. This is how the top looks, and here, you know, it's the white fabric work which is done, and I think it's super cute. So let's go. So we are taking this crown. So this is like the mukut of Goddess Durga, which we will wear in the makeover. So this is how it looks.
It is surprise actually.
Yeah. Nice, right?
कलर भी जाता है नहीं ये साड़ी में डाल ऐसे में 60 तो ऐसे मिला देवी सरकार फ्लैट ऊपर नहीं नोवन को नहीं ये मैं ये बिल नहीं मिले तो मेरे से ऐसे ही
So guys, just reached home. So I got all the stuffs for the shoot, whichever was needed. I got one sari and I got one like regular cotton sari also with this. I didn't show you the main outfit because, you know, like little surprise, little bit. Okay, so, and yeah, everything is pretty planned now. Right now I'm very hungry, so I'm thinking that, you know, I'll order some food because I have to complete the audio dub, and that won't be possible if I go or mom goes and starts cooking, because we both will be dubbing together. So let's see what we can eat. So in dinner I'm having this mushroom soup. Like, it's really nice and simple. Because of the throat, you know, infection, this feels really nice. So the story mom is writing, it's a very beautiful conversation of goddesses and her devotee. So, you know, she told me last night only. So I was like, are you sure you want to do it? I mean, because I've never done something like this, and I'm her go-to model. So she came up to me, she's like, will you do this? And I was like, it's really interesting. I mean, I love you know, stories about mythology, and moreover, when this is like original script she's writing, it was more exciting for me. So everything is planned out for day after tomorrow. Let's see how it goes, because there's literally no one. I have to shoot it by myself. Everything is on me. So the goddess herself is going to shoot everything. But I believe with her blessings, let's try and give our best. Hope we come up to something nice, you know, because as Bengalis, I really had a different plan, but somehow it didn't happen because I fell sick in a bad way. But never mind, you know, if this is how she wants to come this time, big welcome. So, and guys, also, I don't know how much you guys are loving me, because I mean, I do see my views getting better and better day by day, because it's a very personal space. Like, my YouTube channel is a very personal space for me. But to let you know, I seriously love shooting my life and capturing it and putting it in front of you. So I'm really happy, because I am seeing the way you guys support me. It really means a lot. And yeah, let's go.